This video is meant to introduce you to basic, non-compromising safety and hygiene features that should be incorporated into traditional cheese processing. This will help you process a safe product for consumer health and help you expand your market reach. You will also learn about factors that can cause poor yield, product defects, or product failure. It is important that you process in a clean and sanitary environment that is well ventilated. Do not share your processing area with farm animals, and do not conduct non-processing activities in your processing area. Do not let young children or pets play around in the processing area either. Make sure your processing area is not close to a dump site, open gutter, bushy area, or stagnant water. If you live near the kraal, make sure you have netting installed to keep flies out of the processing area. These steps will help to reduce biological hazards. Always clean your area before processing, including getting rid of cobwebs and mending loose thatch roofs. If possible, sprinkle water on the ground to prevent dust from rising as you move in the processing area. These will help reduce physical hazards in the processing area. Make sure your process follows a linear flow. This will help prevent cross-contamination. Do not keep any items, including raw material or finished products, directly on the floor. Keep all items on a raised platform. Make sure you wear clean clothes and wash your hands with soap and running water prior to processing. This will help make sure you are not a direct source of contamination to your process. When you receive milk, you must observe the milk to make sure it smells right and has a good creamy color. If you receive milk from outside your immediate vicinity, make sure it arrives cold. Warm milk can produce harmful bacteria. You can check the acidity of your milk to make sure it is safe for processing by using a pH meter. Before processing, make sure you clean the coagulant properly and use clean potable water to strain. Consider using milk to strain to prevent the use of contaminated water. Do not dip your fingers into the pot to check how hot the milk is without washing with soap and water. Alternatively, use a clean cup to fetch a small portion and then dip your finger. You can also use other visual cues, such as whey collecting on the surface of the boiling curd. Preferably, if you have access to a thermometer, it will give you more accurate and consistent temperature readings. Consider increasing the amount of salt and the length of time the firm curds are cooked to improve the strength of the cheese curds and overall product quality. When you finish processing, wash all utensils in 3 steps. Pre-rinse, wash with soapy water, and rinse again with potable water. Use a brush or sponge to scrub wooden baskets. Germs can hide in the wood if it is not done properly. These germs can influence the quality of subsequent batches. Allow all utensils to air dry before storage. Remember that your product is an important dietary source of protein for people of all age groups. Additionally, some age groups, such as very young children and elderly people, are more susceptible to foodborne illnesses. The value you add to traditional processing is therefore very important. You will be able to expand your market reach and make more money if you follow these steps to ensure the safety and consistency of your product.